something or other. Waiting to find out. We just got to follow the signs all the way in. So this is a transfer at Frankfurt Airport. First thing we see is the information boards. Let's check where our flight is leaving from. You remember our flight number? There's Bangkok up there. Suvarnabhumi. B22, gate open.
Yeah, I say B22, you remember?
B22, which way is it?
Front.
Let's open the boards there. And we just got to follow Maro all the way to the gate B22 where our Lufthansa flight for Bangkok is departing today. Probably going to have to pass some immigration and some security. The roof. A little bit different roof. Unfinished kind of look. There's immigration just ahead of us. I'm going to turn the camera off here. Okay, we just passed through immigration. Now we're turning right, according to the sign there, to our gate B22. Straight down right, we're following Maro swiftly down. We're just here recently for our first Airbus A340 flight to Phuket, about a year or two back. We'll leave a link to that down in the comment section, that trip report we made for that. Very enjoyable flight. Nice smells here. Nice restaurant just ahead.
I can't take photos if I have a little gate. Huh?
No, let's just find the gate first so people can see what the walk's like. And then if we have time, we'll take some photos around the airport too. This is basically so those of you who are going to be making this journey or similar journey sort of know what kind of walk you are going to be doing. A lot of shops around here, duty-free shops. Heinemann duty-free. Don't know what's coming up ahead. This is the gates. There's B20 up ahead. B20 and B22. A lot of people standing here for B20. Straight ahead to B22. It doesn't see. Oh, there it is down there, gate B22. So there should already be time to do a little bit of walking through the airport. Got some Lufthansa counters over there to the right. And it's quite a busy airport. Time here on the trusty pulsar is about 2 minutes to 9 at the moment. So it's Tuesday evening here in Germany, and there we have our gate for Bangkok, gate B22, and that would be our aircraft out there already also. I see a lot of fire engines out there in the back. Yeah, let's go have a look. And just over there we have today's aircraft, Airbus A340. Not quite sure what's going on over there with the fire engines. Yeah. Just a quick correction, that's actually an Airbus A340. I thought we were flying an A330, maybe we're flying an A340. I'm not sure, a little bit confused now. So hello to you all, and thanks for walking with us through Frankfurt Airport. It will either be on this video or it's a separate video. In that case, we'll leave a link to it down below. Otherwise, welcome to this flight, Lufthansa flight to Bangkok from Frankfurt. We will be departing at 10 o'clock here in the evening. Time here on the trusty pulsar is about 9:10 now, so I would expect boarding will be beginning soon. So hope you enjoy this trip report, and we'll see you here and there and on the plane.
Yes.
And then we have our gate just waiting for boarding.
For free boarding, please come to gate B22 now.
And boarding has begun, and we are on our way to the plane. Our Airbus A340 300. Yeah. Just following Maro along here. She's got her speeder on. Up to the aircraft. And our seat numbers?
45K.
45K, eh? Yes. Thank you very much. And we are in. Very cool in here.
Yeah, nice. It's cool.
Very nice. There's a premium economy. It's rather nice. Thank you. premium economy, first cabin. And here it comes, normal economy class. And down we go.
Nice seats, huh? Leather.
Yeah. That's how the aircraft bends all the way down. Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you so much. Whoops. Thank you. And we're heading down to 45, as I said. Nice seats here in the front. What seat is that? Number 30. The front seat up there was good with the window and good legroom. Is that us?
That would have been better.
No, but the front seats were lovely.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hi.
Is that us?
Hello.
Hello. Thank you.
Oops.
Oh, that's nice.
Let me put that up.
Yeah. Here we are on board. We're very happy with our seats, the legroom, and the view out of the window and of the wing over there. Should be quite a nice takeoff footage if it doesn't get dark before we take off. I'm on seat 45K.
What's that?
And Maro's on seat 45. If we look up there, 45H. The legroom's not too bad. Knees do go up to the seat, but they're not totally up in the seat. I would compare this to the Thai Airways space. Thai Airways space has gotten less over the years, and this is about the same. And as you can see, the A340 does not have any in-flight entertainment box down under the seat like we experienced on Qatar Airways. You can have a look at that video with Qatar Airways Airbus A340. We'll put a link to that down in the comments section. Maro is very comfy there in her little sandals.
Oh yeah.
What do you do your socks? Did you get your socks out?
Yeah, they're in my handbag.
Good. As you can see out the window here, it's already getting dark. And we're ready for a flight, are we?
Yeah.
Do we give the traditional thumbs up?
What's up?
Satisfied?
So far, so good.
So far so good, yes. Nice entertainment system. Have a look at that later.
I think the best I've ever experienced. Very quickly.
Very quick.
Yeah.
The luggage is still being loaded also. Time here on the trusty pulsar is now 20 to 10. Departure time is 10 o'clock. Looks like we're on schedule. More luggage being loaded down there. While we're waiting for Pushback, we can have a look at the seat amenities. Maro just pulled out the blanket.
And for change, it's not fleece.
What kind of blanket is that?
Yeah, it's like other fabric. I'm not sure. Cotton, maybe?
Yeah.
Nice.
What about the pillow? Quite a big blanket, isn't
Oh,
it?
it's actually also fabric, not any one use.
No, it's not that one use
Yeah,
thing.
cotton.
Yeah, it looks like it's been used before.
I don't think so.
No?
No, it's just washed.
Uh-huh. Very nice. Hopefully it is. Looks like they're closing the lockers now, so we should be on our way. Ready to go, huh?
Yes.
So while we were sitting here, they gave us some headphones. From what we can see through the packaging, it's a double sort of socket, and there's only a single one there, so we're going to have to figure out how that's going to work, and I'll show you that later on. It's going to ask Maro to unpack it for us now, so we can have a look at it. It's one of those with the sponge ear thingies that you can put on yourself. With the headset. I think it's the sort of cheapest wrap I've ever seen. The plastic, very cheaply wrapped together.
So,
There you have it. And the adapter. I'm just sure there used to be a little single adapter, but apparently there's not. There's a Lufthansa logo on the headphones also. I'm sure they'll be just fine. You gotta put them on. One on and two on. Goodie.
so.
I was just giving us a little demo here how to wear them, and at the same time I can show you while we are busy here. There is a charging port, USB charging port for our telephones.
All doors and flight, please.
Boarding is complete, and in the meantime Maro figured out how this thing works. It is a single adapter. You twist it down and it's a single, so you can use your own mobile telephone headset. Just heard that it's going to be a 10-hour and 14-minute flight. Boarding is complete. Maro just announced that the normal mobile phone headphones do work in this entertainment system. Time is now 5 minutes to 10, 21:55 here on the watch.
It's very nice entertainment.
I was really enjoying the entertainment system as always. We haven't left the ground. She knows everything about this system and its movies already.
You see, you remember how bad experience I had with the A380 Lufthansa.
Yeah.
It was so bad, the entertainment too.
Well, this one's better.
Much better. This is like ding, taps
Yeah.
a little bit and it comes. Oh, what is that wonderful?
Looks like a cartoon.
Cockpit, mein Name ist Clemens Gerritz. Ich bin Ihr Kapitän auf diesem Flug und Michael Weiss. Ich möchte Sie ganz herzlich willkommen heißen an Bord des 340.
Once found another use for the drinking cup.
Soll jeden Moment losgehen. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. My name is Clemens. On the flight deck today with me, First Officer Michael Weiss. Hope you feel comfortable aboard. We are ready to go in 2 to 3 minutes. The calculated flight time is 10 hours and 40 minutes, so I expect an on-time arrival. And in the later afternoon, we can expect some rain as well in the Bangkok area. Hope you feel comfortable. Wish you a pleasant stay on board and a pleasant flight.
Ladies and gentlemen, now we show you the safety features on board.
Sie die Staufächer über Ihren Sitzen vorsichtig, der Platz unter den Vordersitzen.
We'll have a look in the meantime at the safety card for the Airbus A340-300.
Dieses Flugzeug hat 8
We'll listen to the English version when it comes. In the meantime, we'll just look at the safety card. There you have
Der
it.
Druck in der Kabine sinken, Maske ganz zu sich herunter, um den Sauerstofffluss zu steigern. Auf Anweisung der Startwärten.
Big A330 leaving. The new Lufthansa livery.
Elektronisches Gerät in den unzugänglichen Bereich Ihres Sitzes.
In the unlikely event of a loss in cabin pressure,
Pushback has
oxygen
begun.
masks will automatically drop from the panel above you. Nose with the mask and secure it by pulling the elastics. In business class and in premium economy class, it is also stored under the armrest. Make sure that your backrest is in an upright position and your window shade open. Lights up automatically in contact with water. Listen out for announcements from the crew telling you when the wireless hotspot and mobile network are available. Please consult your Lufthansa magazine for details about these services.
Time now is actually 12 minutes past 10. We've been pushed back but haven't moved forward yet. About to dim the lights in the cabin. There we go. So we should see better out the window for the takeoff, and we are moving forward again. Here's our view of where we are, where we're going. It's interesting how long we're gonna. It's actually to the runway now. Yeah, why don't I have that? It's got a nice map which really shows how we're moving along the runway.
It changes all the time.
Ah, it changed. Ah, here we go. I'm getting it over here now. It's quite impressive. That's us over there. Looks like the charter airlines over here. Condor. Bouncy here and there. Cargo planes over there.
Cabin crew, prepare for departure.
A little Lufthansa cargo there, and as I mentioned, I think it's an MD-8. Almost at the end now of the runway. Seems to be turning now. Looks like we'll go straight away. There we go. 20. It's for premium economy and for economy. So hopefully they're enough for everybody. Both have our tray tables down already. At the same time, we can just look at the tray table. It's a moving tray table with a cup holder, single cup holder, unlike the smaller Airbus A340 where there were two. We both think that we're going to be having non-alcoholic drinks. What are you drinking, Maro?
Just for soda, I think.
I think I'm also going to just do a soda.
Yeah.
We had quite a lot of, well, we didn't have a lot of drinks, but we already had alcohol in the lounge. So we're just going to enjoy some water now,
And
soft drinks.
Yeah, I had wine and you had beer.
Yeah, I had a beer. Drinks have just been served. We both ordered a Bloody Mary. I didn't see any Tabasco going into the Bloody Mary. It was
just vodka juice.
tomato juice and vodka. So I had a sparkling soda and a Bloody Mary and some probably pretzels here in the bag. And these pretzels, they have a story. Maro just broke her tooth for 600 krona on her last Lufthansa flight 3 days ago. Just biting into a pretzel.
And I lost my suitcase, and until now I don't know where it is. So that was a big bummer.
So it was quite a drama. I never heard the end of it.
Well, I had
Plus her flight was delayed at Copenhagen airport.
So for this trip here, I have to buy all the makeups and everything again. So.
And it cost us a fortune. Well, to be honest, it's not the best Bloody Mary either of us has ever had. Of course, it's missing the celery stick, the Tabasco, salt and pepper, etc. Nothing else in it. Maro just opened up the snack pack.
Yeah.
What we have in there? Wait, little took biscuits.
Yeah.
Nice. I always enjoy those. To be quite honest, after the lounge, I think neither of us is particularly hungry.
No.
So we're going to be nibbling at the in-flight meal just to show you what it looks like.
Yeah.
I guarantee you that I'll probably finish it as always, even though I shouldn't finish it.
And the reason why I'm wearing my old glasses is because my new glasses are in the suitcase, which is lost.
We're never going to hear the end of that suitcase. I haven't heard the end of that suitcase.
Yeah, but it's not a nice thing to lose your suitcase.
Sometimes one must just say, shit happens and get on with it. See, both our drinks and snack packs are fully set up for Instagram and Facebook photos. If you haven't already followed us on the Instagram and Facebook, please check out those other channels we have.
So we just got lovely warm towels.
I'll repeat that because I have the microphone on my chest, no one can hear. Use the towel on the face first and then on the hands afterwards. Nice hot towels. I think the hottest we've had in a long time.
Yeah.
Nice to freshen up. I got one too. Let's have a closer look at that. It's already cooling down. They cool down very quickly on these planes. It's ice cold almost already.
Yeah.
It's amazing how quickly that cools down. But anyway, there we have the hot towel.
Well, lucky me, I got the warm one because you were filming.
Yeah. Just waiting for the message in English. I think he's talking about dinner.
Ladies and gentlemen, in a few moments we will be offering you with peas and jasmine rice.
Of course there's chicken.
Rigatoni and tomato.
Two choices.
As a courtesy to the passengers,
Pasta or chicken?
to the breakfast of your seat.
I guess it's the chicken.
I think we have to take the both for our viewers.
Which do you want?
I can take the...
Pasta. The high carb pasta.
Sorry viewers, you're not getting pasta tonight.
Was it pasta and chicken?
Yeah, rigatoni, I think that's pasta or something like that.
Well, let's see what we get. Anyway, I think I should mention eating time. We took over at 10 and it's now 23:26 approximately, 11:26 at night, and the meals are being served. And while we're waiting for our meals, Maro and I are frantically searching for a movie. Maro has actually decided that she's going to listen to a podcast.
I will show you now.
Audiobooks.
Bill Knight would be lovely to sleep with a wonderful Wizard of Oz. Bill Knight, my favorite.
Is he Bill 90 or Bill Nighy? Nighy. Not 90. 99 Maro.
Nighy?
He's a very good actor. Maro's passed out here next to me.
We're passed out also.
I was indeed. Time is now 1:45 midnight. and we still haven't seen any food. We just want to eat, film it and show you what there is and what it looks like, and then we want to get some sleep, and we'll pick the trip report up again in the morning when there's a little bit more light out the window too. This isn't time, but sort of see where we are. Arrival time in 9 hours and 11 minutes. Dinner has been served, but since we're sitting in the back, there were no choices left. The only choice was pasta. There was a choice between chicken and pasta, but the chicken's unfortunately finished. We can have a look at the food now in a moment. I see it's a nice looking chocolate there.
I took tomato juice and sparkling water. So we have a little salad here. Came with a separated dressing, Italian dressing. We have a nice bun with a camembert cheese.
Bring the camembert up, let's have a look at that.
Yes.
The whole time we're careful we're not knocking over our drinks.
Yeah.
Camembert cheese.
Bavarian camembert with alpine milk. And then we have, oops, let me check. Butter. Not Lopak this time.
We have a German butter.
Yeah. And bun. We have one little piece of sausage for dessert.
Sausage or chocolate? Or chocolate? I'm talking like you.
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Let's have a look. Just show me the chocolate a little bit.
With a nice Lufthansa logo.
Lovely logo. Turn around for the back side of it. A little bit of text there also.
Yeah. And then
Nice
we have
pudding.
Let me take
Come in
my
a little bit
finger.
closer for that.
Probably goes
Looking
down
quite
well.
nice. Then I will be eating.
Metal cutlery, which is always nice, like we always say. Fork, knife, little spoon. And serviette.
Awesome. And then we move over to the main meal,
Which was pasta.
which is the pasta we both got because they've run out of the chicken.
I don't know, the chicken probably with rice or something.
I didn't feel
Okay.
like chicken anyway. We had a lot of chicken in the lounge.
I had like a one piece.
Maro's taking forever as usual with opening that foil up.
This is one of those difficult ones. Oh,
Don't knock your drinks
yeah,
everywhere.
exactly. They are so tightly turned into the...
Just do it gently so you don't get that
Yeah, exactly.
drink. That's not looking bad.
Look, now.
Wait, what was that
See,
now?
that was my salad.
Oh, lovely. That's not looking bad. Maro just sent her salad down on the floor.
Well, now I have only dressing left.
Probably a good dressing over there.
It's a nice fresh salad, and the dressing is very good.
Enjoy. Just a quick look at where we are. Dobrovik is just in front of us. Pitch of our plane, the A340. So how does it feel to send a salad down the aisle?
I hope you got a good footage of it. I think I said a couple of words that need censoring.
And then Maro apologized to the whole plane. I'm sorry. It sounded like something out of the In-Betweeners. Those of you who know the In-Betweeners, little scene in London. I'm sorry. So sorry.
Well, luckily I didn't manage to put the Italian dressing on the salad.
How's the pasta?
Very nice. As a matter of fact, nice tomato sauce and nice soft.
Well, anyway, there we have the salad and the pasta. We're gonna eat after that little ordeal. We hope it was exciting for you, as it was for us.
That package was ridiculous. It was a ridiculous package. You saw how difficult it was to...
Vacuum, so I just decided to send it to the west. Well, I must say this kind of salad's not the cleverest thing to have on a plane. It's not very easy to get it on your fork. It tastes good, but it's not very clever. Nice dressing. Coffee and cheese on the way. How's time for me to try this pasta, tomato. Quite a big pasta slices, I can see. I'm not a big pasta fan. Tomato, a little bit dull. I'm not a vegetarian myself. I like meat. Could have used a little bit of meat there. But anyway, let's taste it.
I liked it.
If I was starving, it would be good, but I'm not starving, so nothing special. I say not that good.
I like the sauce.
A little bit boring. Here's a quick look at the camembert. It's looking nice. I'm just going to eat it without the bread, as I am on a low carb diet. As I said, the pasta wasn't really my thing. I'm not going to eat all of it. Firstly, because I'm not that hungry. Secondly, because it's also high carb. When we go on holiday, we relax a little bit on the diet, but try to avoid these kind of carbs. Try to forget about what my plate looked like in the lounge in Copenhagen airport. That was another matter. I needed some carbs.
But it suits you up.
When it suits me. One of those diets. Coffee and tea is being served at the moment, so I'm quickly going to eat my dessert. I'll show you the dessert before they come around with that. Some kind of a cream cake, as you can see. The jelly topping. It's very refreshing. Some kind of a lemon cake.
Yeah.
Very nice. Wait, some turbulence also. Do you have your seatbelt on?
Yeah.
Very nice cake.
You don't care about the carbs now, do you?
Cake carbs don't count. Because they're awesome. It's really like a lemon fromage.
Oh.
That I like very much. 10 out of 10 for that dessert.
Yeah.
Very refreshing. So we just both said yes please to Baileys and coffee. Nice black coffee and a Baileys. Generous portion of Baileys, as you can see. Well, you got to eat your chocolate. Oh, I missed on my chocolate. We have to taste it for the sake of the flight.
Well, leave your messy one and take my clean one. I don't want chocolates now.
I know you don't want chocolate, but you want chocolate.
I don't want chocolate or chocolate.
I think I have to taste it for the viewers' sake, even though it's full of carbs. Yeah, you can open that. I don't know if you can hear Maro because the microphone's on my chest, but chocolate's being opened up. You can taste this chocolate here. Just kidding. Not that Mark Wien's good. Really enjoy Mark Wien's. If you haven't checked out his channel before, just check. Do a search of Mark Wien's. Very good food channel.
Let me try my cake now.
Yeah.
Try it, yeah.
It was a lovely cake. Good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Very refreshing.
Very light, fluffy, not too sweet.
Very light, fluffy, not too sweet. I'm just relaying Maro's.
Very nice.
I agree.
Sponge cake.
10 out of 10 for that cake.
Nice.
So the dinner has just been served. It's been taken away. We've had our Baileys. We've had our coffee. Maybe you can see my eyes a little bit better now. Now it's, as you can see, it's dark here in the cabin. Lights out. It's time to sleep. We both got to take a nap, and when we wake up, we'll continue with this trip report. Maybe some lavatory tour and a few views from behind the aircraft. But anyway, good night. See you guys later.
Good night.
Good night. Hello to you all. The time here is 3:45 in the morning. As you know, we left at 10 o'clock. I just woke up. Maro's also sort of woken up. Both rather tired. But as you can see, we're here. It's time for a lavatory tour. So let's just have a look around where I'm standing now. These toilets are actually quite good. They are about 8 in the middle of the aircraft. And let's just do a circle before we sort of show this. Show a little bit of the legroom here. There's not very much there. I reckon we start by the door, where we have a handle, an ashtray, but it's not even marked as an ashtray anymore. No smoking sign. A lock. You close the lock, the light goes on. We have a coat hanger. Actually another coat hanger here on the wall, next to the door. Handle on the wall in case there's some turbulence. Just put my glasses on to see. Toilet seat covers, always nice to have. We have the baby changing table. Bringing it down, you have a nice table to change the baby. Some water mugs on the right. I'm not quite sure what they are. Water cups. I thought you weren't supposed to drink the water on these aircraft. There you have the actual toilet. I'm not going to open it. Down there the flush button. 2 toilet papers. And let's have a look at the basin. So I said over there on the left you had the little paper cups. And the basin on-off button for water. We have a trash bag or a rubbish bin, dirt bin. And we've got some plugs for your razors, I would expect. Shaving machines, a cabin crew calling button, and a little light that says return to your seat in case of turbulence. Some papers, tissues, and ventilation up there. Anyway, that was the Lavatory tour. As you can hear, I'm a little bit tired still. A little bit. I think we've got a long way to go still. But enjoying the flight, enjoying this aircraft, lovely aircraft. But yeah, see you back at the seat. Just looking out of the emergency door at the back of the aircraft. Look at this wonderful view. The mountains. Not sure if you can see it properly on the video or not. I can't open the windows inside. There's 2 lights, but it's a beautiful view. Here we have a quick view of the galley. Just here at the back of the aircraft down here in the galley, there's also some juice and some snacks you can just take if you want them. We've got Kabul on our left. Distance to destination 3,981 kilometers. Time to destination 4 hours 51. Let's have a quick look at the in-flight entertainment system. I'm not going to say anything, I'm just going to run you through it. go, that's what the in-flight entertainment system looks like. So we're still over India, approaching the Bay of Bengal. There's our first daylight view out the window, flying over some rivers down there. You can actually see the river, some kind of basin we're flying over. Flight went pretty quickly. As far as I can see, there's 1 hour and 58 minutes left.
Breakfast?
Breakfast, you can smell in the cabin. They just turned the lights on. So right now we're flying over the Bay of Bengal and we're waiting for some breakfast. Let's just quickly have a look at the Lufthansa magazine and Lufthansa duty-free magazines. We'll just skim them through. They both stored in this little plastic bag. And here we go, Lufthansa's in-flight magazine, which I can see is in German, and here it's in English on the right-hand side column. But anyway, there you have it, Lufthansa magazine. And here we have the Lufthansa in-flight shopping magazine, and that is looking like all other duty-free shopping onboard magazines you see around on the airlines. A good selection of goods. And there you go. Oops, what came up there? It came all by itself. This belongs to somebody. The buff packer.
Yeah, very useful indeed.
Very useful.
Have it nearby if you don't feel so well.
Always have it nearby. And there we go, that concludes a little tour of the magazines. Now hopefully breakfast is on the way soon. We've both just changed our watches to Thai local time, which at this moment on the trusty pulsar is 12:18. How about the scan watch? Bring it into view, Maro. And we have Maro's Scandinavian scan watch, where the time is a little bit faster than my time, about 19.
It's not 18.
18, 12:18.
So here comes one announcement from Mara. This flight, in this flight we didn't get any amenity kit, not any lip cream or socks or
Brush or socks or
No.
eye masks or anything like that.
no, nothing at all.
Funny thing is, I seem to recall we got it on the Airbus A380, Lufthansa's Airbus A380.
Probably, but nothing here.
And we're still over the sea here. Just having a look at the breakfast choice Maro presented to us in just a moment.
So I hope that nothing goes flying this time.
Yeah, nothing must go flying this time.
Yeah, we have a nice
Maybe bring it down on the tray.
strawberry yogurt.
Bauer. Der kleine Bauer.
Yeah. Also strawberry jam.
That's a hero jam. Strawberry. What if you don't like strawberry?
Butter.
Mechel. Yeah. Smelling nice, the
we
food.
have bun.
One bun full of carbs.
Oh my god, I'm so afraid to
Okay, now you must be careful.
open this one. Maybe you open it from the front and then you sort of slide it away.
I'm quite interested to see what it is. It's smelling really nice. I bet there's some spinach in there or something.
They could make it a little bit easier to open, in my
Yes.
opinion, because it's also quite warm.
Yeah, and especially when you're sitting next to somebody you don't know. Luckily we know each other, so you can use your arms. Oh, my goodness, not more than tomato sauce.
A few little pieces of
Doesn't
bacon.
That doesn't look nice at all.
I've been having better.
Yes, wow. There you have it, breakfast.
It'll make it taste good.
Yeah. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. I need my coffee.
Maro just forgot to mention I have the microphone on me, that's why I'm talking now. But funny enough, the The cutlery is now plastic for breakfast.
Food, fork and knife.
Just before we begin eating, let's just have a look at the coastline down there, which is probably beyond my. Quite a nice view down there. Both just got coffees. I had a water. Maro got a.
It's not Bloody Mary, it's just tomato juice.
And on this occasion, you got the salt and pepper.
Yeah. It's nice. Nice and fresh. So should I try the breakfast?
Would be a good idea.
Some scrambled egg and pieces of bacon, I can see.
And tomato paste.
I must say that this is tasting quite good.
Yeah?
And I'm really hungry, so I think I will be eating it all.
So in this case, I have to take my words back. That scrambled egg was actually delicious. So the look of it doesn't always tell how good it is, but it was actually very good. Look, I finished everything. My yogurt, my strawberry marmalade. Maro's just finishing off her yogurt over here.
I didn't use marmalade. Beans are not so marmalade. What can I say?
Maro is telling that Finns are not so marmalade. How can I say?
You don't use marmalade. We have cheese and ham on our sandwiches in the morning.
Do savory breakfast.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yogurt is very nice. Strawberry yogurt.
Breakfast is done. Now it's time for a look out the window again. It's been a long flight, but we're getting close to the goal. Nice to see that they bring us the immigration forms for Bangkok now. You have the pen in your bag, do you? Good. Maro takes care of that always.
And the filling forms.
And the filling in of forms. So there we go, we just got the immigration forms for Thailand. It's very practical that we get them on board the aircraft, so we don't have to fill them in at the airport. We just walk to our next gate, pass immigration and security very easily once these are filled in.
Just have your passports ready.
Passport's ready, and remember to take a pen with you. 50 minutes of the flight left, 518 kilometers to go. Very cloudy down there. Seatbelt sign just came on.
Now about 30 minutes. Weather's quite nice. Temperature 32 degrees Celsius, and we have a light breeze from the southwest. I hope you have enjoyed the flight with us. Wish a pleasant stay in Bangkok or Bangkok area. Wir bleiben auf der Zeit in circa 30 Minuten. Wir haben das ganz angenehm 32 Grad Celsius und ein ladies and gentlemen, as we have just switched on the fasten seatbelt signs, I would like to ask you to return to your seat and fasten the belts. Thank you.
Approach has begun, and now descends.
Mit Kindern und Jugendlichen wurden noch weiter gefördert. I would like to tell you a little bit about the Hansa line.
I'm turning now. There's land down there. 181 kilometers to go. 23 more minutes. More buildings down there as we get closer and closer to Bangkok. The view is just getting better and better now. I forgot to tell, there's a coat hanger here also. Yes. Sailed down that river on a previous trip to Bangkok. Had a lunch cruise from, what was it, Ayutthaya, you say?
Yeah.
Back to Bangkok. Coming into the clouds now. And in we go. Bouncy as always. Quite a bounce into the clouds. tip of the wing. Back in the cloud again. Banking right again.
But it's coming. Very sharp turn.
Very sharp turn. Another one coming on.
U-turn.
Yeah.
I saw it on the map. It was totally U.
Another turn.
Look at the map now. You can see.
As Maro says, there we go. You can see the turn we're busy making. And straightening up. A little bit the other way, or what? It's quite a round turn we made there. Now approaching. Getting closer now.
5 minutes to go.
5 minutes. Look how green it is. There's Bangkok City in the background. Flaps coming down. Oh, maybe a bouncy.
High rises.
You see them, huh? It's the high rise of Bangkok right there in the background. Landing gear just went down. It's quite a long approach. Good to be back in Thailand. Closer, no? Big mosque down there. Look at that. Look at that. It's lovely. One mosque, some kind of temple, I meant. And here comes the airport. Very smooth. Yes. That for a long time.
That was 1970. As a matter of fact, they did that also when we landed in Crete.
Did they?
Herzlich willkommen in Bangkok, meine Damen und Herren. Bitte bleiben Sie zu Ihrer eigenen Sicherheit nur so lange angeschnallt sitzen, bis wir unsere endgültige Fangposition erreicht haben, die Anschnallzeichen bei Ihnen erloschen sind. Im Namen von Kapitän Hansen, seiner Crew sowie Lufthansa und Star Alliance danke ich Ihnen, dass Sie heute unsere Gäste waren und ich hoffe, dass Ihnen der Flug mit uns gefallen hat. Wir wünschen Ihnen welcome to Bangkok, ladies and gentlemen. For your own safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until you reach our fastened position and the fasten seatbelt.
I know those buildings over there.
On behalf of Captain Garrison and his crew as well.
Wait, there's a big jumbo going there, look.
Thank you for choosing Lufthansa for
Yeah.
the flight tonight, and I hope you enjoyed your stay on board with us.
Oh, those buildings are new. That's what they were building last time we were here. A whole new terminal. Look at that.
We already know us.
There's a totally new building there.
That's not open yet. They're still building.
Yeah, still building.
Excuse me, sit down, please.
Watch some of our other videos, you'll see the construction beginning for that. Fire station over there.
So Max, do you know now how to pronounce this airport?
I'll never know how to pronounce the name of them. Suvarnabhumi. Suvarnabhumi.
Something like that?
Something like that.
I know that building.
Yes. Thai smiles in front of us.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you would like to set your watches to local time, it is 2:09 p.m.
2:09 p.m. British Airways just pulled in also. Oh, look at that, it's going to be quite a building, look. It's going to be huge.
You feel the warmth.
I actually do feel the warmth.
I do too, that's why I say it.
Yeah. I wonder if it got anything to do with the outside or, you know, the air coming in or...
The outside a lot.
Look at that building, it's going to be good. That'll be ready next year. Not sooner. Quite something. Viewers, as you can hear, I am impressed. Because last time we were here, there was nothing there. Very long terminal building.
They didn't have the train inside like in most of the...
Yeah. And maybe that means cheaper Thai Airways tickets. And they have more flights. Thai Airways 777 there. And coming into gate. You remember what our gate is for the next one?
That wasn't on the boarding pass.
No.
Cabin crew, all doors in park.
And we are here. And disembarkation has begun. Just waiting a little bit here. And out we go. Maro is leading the way as always. This is the end of the trip report. Hope you enjoyed it. And thank you very much. Bye bye. Cheers. Maro leading the way as I said, and this will be a transfer. These are good. What number? Which one?
27.
27. Remember that. Seat 27 looked very good, so did seat 30. I will take seat 27. Yeah, the premium economy. 1627. Just remember that. 1627. 1627 is very, very good. Bye bye. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Which it was straight. Business class. Looking very nice also.
You always want to show us this.
Yes.
Maybe next time.
It's looking lovely. Yes.
Next time.
Yes. Nice.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Thank you very much. Sorry, Cap. The warmth. Now begins our transfer walk. It's almost warmer than usual. Lovely. So now we're just following Maro, as I always say. He's leading the way, and we're just feeling this lovely Thailand warmth. And that smell, you smell that Thai air, humid air. Through we go. Let's have a look at our plane also. Can't see much. I'm going to turn and the windows all dotted. Better see which way